Welcome to techxlovers, gadgets that will make gardening easier and more enjoyable. Kobe. Kobe is a fully autonomous all-seasons garden robot. It can now launch, break leaves, and even shovel snow. Kobe is powered by a lithium-ion battery and uses a variety of sensors to navigate its surroundings and avoid obstacles. Kobe is easy to use. Simply set the desired schedule and Kobe will take care of the rest, and Kobe will automatically return to its charging stations when it needs to be recharged. Kobe is a versatile tool that can be used to maintain a variety of outdoors and spaces including gardens, lawns, and patios. It is also a great choice for people who have limited mobility or who can simply don't have the time to their own yard work. Kobe is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the ways that people maintain their outdoor spaces. It could have saved people time and effort, and it could also make it more accessible to people with limited mobility. Triclone trimmer hat. The triclone trimmer hat is a universal trimmer hat that is designed to be used with a variety of string trimmers. It is made from durable materials and features a unique designs that make it easy to use and effective. The triclone trimmers have 3 blades that are arranged in a triangle formation. This design allows the trimmer hat and trimmer hat to cut through tricks and weeds and brushes with ease. The blades are also self-sharpening. They will stay sharp even after heavy use. The triclone trimmer had also a number of features that make it easy to use, and it has a bump feed system that allows users to advance the trimmer line with a simple tap on the ground. The trimmer head also has a wet guard that helps to protect users from flying debris. The triclone trimmer head is a versatile and effective trimmer head that is suitable for a variety of tasks. It is a good choice for both homeowners and professional landscapers. Worth's Aero Cart. The Worth's Aero Cart is an 8-in-1 all-purpose yard cart mower and lifter. It combines the capabilities of a yard cart, wheelbarrow, truck, dolly, extended dolly, back holders, flinders, holder, rock lifters, and mower, blower, pot carrier, and trailer move all in one. The Aero Cart is made of steel and has a 300 lb weight capacity. It is a unique 2-wheel design that allows it to be used in a variety of ways. The front wheel can be swivel or rock, and the rear wheel is large and inflatable. The Aero Cart comes with a number of accessories including a plot mover strap, rock mower mash, and universal wheelbarrow tool holders. It also has a number of features that make it easy to use, such as telescoping handle and a removing back holder. The Worth's Aero Cart is a versatile and durable tool that can be used for a variety of gardening and landscaping tasks. It is a good choice for homeowners and professional landscapers alike. Vertimix 44113. The Vertimix 44113 is a garden binding tool that is used to tie plants and flower to stakes, fences, and other supports. It's a simply but effective tool that is easy to use. The Vertimix 44113 has a number of features that make it easy to use. It has a lightweight and ergonomic design that makes it comfortable to use for extended periods of time, and also has a non-slip grip that prevents the tool from slipping out of your hand. The Vertimix 44113 also has a number of features that make it effective. It has a sharp blade that can easily cut through tape and other materials. It also has a tape cutter that ensures that the tape is cut cleaning and evenly. The Vertimix 44113 is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of gardening tasks. It is a good choice for both beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Makita UD25er. The Makita UD25er is a powerful and versatile electric shredder that is ideal for shredding a variety of garden waste, including branches, twigs, and leaves. It is a 35-volt motor that can shred breakups up to 45 mm in diameter, making it a great choice for both homeowners and professional landscapers. The Makita UD250 also has a number of features that make it easy to use and safe. It has a large collection bin within a viewing window so you can see what it needs to be untied. It also has a safety switch that prevents the shredder from spraying accidentally. The Makita UD25 is a well-made and durable shredder that is packed for a 2-year warranty. It is a great choice for anyone who needs a powerful and reliable shredder to help them keep their garden tidy. Gardenia's Target. The Gardenia's Target is a line of telescope pruning loppers that are designed for cutting high branches and limbs without the need for a litter. They are available in a variety of sizes, with the largest model capable of reaching branches up to 4.1 meters, 13.5 feet high. Gardenia's Target loopers are made with high quality materials and feature a number of features that make them easy to use and effective. They have a non-stick coated blade and cuts cleanly any through branches, and a carry transmission that provides extra leverage for cutting thickness and branches. They also have a lightweight and durable aluminum handle and a comfortable grip. Gardenia's Target loppers as a popular choice for both homeowners and professional landscapers. So they are a safe and efficient way to prune high branches and limbs, and they are built to last. Fiskars Water Wheel XL. The Fiskars Water Wheel XL is a garden sprinkler that uses a water wheel power designed to evenly distribute water over and distribute water over a large area. It is ideal for watering lawns, gardens, and other outdoor spaces. The Water Wheel XL has a number of features that make it easy to use and effective. It has a telescoping base that allows you to adjust the height of a sprinkler and a rotating head that ensures that water is evenly distributed. It also has a number of spray patterns to choose from, so you can customize the watering to your needs. The Water Wheel XL is also made with a high quality material that is backed by a lifetime warranty, and it is durable and reliable sprinkler that will provide you with many years of services. Garden Weasel Bulb Planter. The Garden Weasel Bulb Planter is a hand tool that is designed to make planting bulbs easier and more efficient. It has a long sharp blade that cuts through the soil easily and cut the bulb in place where you're planting. The bulb planter also has a foot pedal that you can use to press the planter into the ground, which reduces the amount of bending and stooping you have to do. The Garden Weasel Bulb Planter is a popular choice for both homeowners and professional gardeners. It's a durable and easy to use tool that can save you a significant amount of time and effort when planting bulbs. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more videos, subscribe to Xlovers.